Alright guys, so for this video I'm going to be talking about my pink faux locks, where I got the hair, who did it, all that good stuff. So the person who did my hair is called TESS. Her name is hair by TESS __ on Instagram, and I'll leave her Instagram link in the description bar below. My experience with her was really good. She's Jamaican, I'm Jamaican, I live in Jamaica, so if I'm getting a hairstylist or whatever, it's here in Jamaica. So she's located at O'Neill's place that the promised Agli Park Road or something from. But yeah, so let's talk about where I got my hair. I can't remember, so I'll just have it on the screen somewhere, and or it'll be in the description bar below, as well as a direct link to the hair that I have. Now I love faux locks. You guys have no idea how much I love, truly love faux locks. Now my thing is, I get bored really easily, and the thing is, only one lock has come out, and that's because Jonathan drug it out, and it's from the back, and my hair at the back began to lock up, and I'm like, I've only had this in for a week and a half. What do you mean lock up? And then I keep forgetting, every single time I do these styles my hair locks up within a week. Like whenever I braid it, whenever I do anything where it's just not what it's worth, like in a plait, I'm apparently growing dreads. So yes, so I will be taking this out shortly, and that's just because my hair is locking up at the back, and I can just imagine how like the size of my hair is, because again the size of my hair is thin, right? So I deliberately asked her not to get these little flyaways here, which I'm sure she would have gotten, I'm positive, but it would have just been too much stress on my hairline. My experience, I love it, I love how it looks, I love how it photographs, but I'm telling you, like, to sleep, I just want to sleep and just sleep with nothing on my head. Like whenever I come home, I'm like, oh, I wish this was a wig. And that's saying nothing about TESS and what she does. It's just me and my hair. I get bored very easily. Whenever I do braid styles, I'm like, oh gosh, I wish this was a wig, so I could just take it off and throw it down. Now I do a lot of updos whenever I'm sleeping. I put it in an updo and then I sleep, and I have to position the pillow in a way that my head not feel like it falling back. It's just the truth, it's just the truth. Is it heavy? It's not heavy like, oh my gosh, my neck is killing me, but you can feel like there's something on the head. It's by no means light on the head. You can feel that there's something on your head. That's one. The second thing is, my hair is my hair is extremely short, so because my hair is really short, it's pulling more, so I'm feeling it more. I guess if you had longer hair you wouldn't feel it as much, but my hair is extremely short. Like, my hair is short. Now for my hair being this short and my locks are still in it, only one came out, and it was by the way of Jonathan yanking it out. For only one to come out from my short hair, I really lift my hat to TESS. I'm like, alright, I'll see you, but I've been getting questions about how she did it. She started out using the pink hair as the braid and using the pink hair to wrap, but we're running out of pink hair, so we used black hair to braid and then use the pink hair to wrap it, so there's black underneath this, and then we ran out of the pink, so that's when we just ran to the store and we got this blonde, which I think it looks good. The pink and the blonde looks really good together. I mean, you know how we do for Bobo. What else can I say? I've been seeing I've been googling pink faux locks, and I've been seeing them because I've been googling them, and I was like, whenever I'm into something, I'm into something. Whenever I want something, I want something. So because I've been googling and stuff, I'm like, I'm getting pink faux locks. So yeah, and I like this color pink. I really like how it looks. And on the side you have different colors. You have purple, yellow, blue, and the regular black or brown or whatever, and you have a deeper pink, I believe, or this is like the deepest one, or I think a lighter pink, but you have different variations as well. It's not just pink and the only pink. And I'm going to leave some other links to some other sites where you can buy pink hair from, just in case one site is sold out of it. Alright, what else? Big up Hair by TESS, thank you so much. Located at O'Neill's place. I love it, I really love it. It's just that my hair is locking up, so I know we have to take it out within a couple of days because my hair is locking up. And yeah, that's basically it. I have nothing else to say, nothing bad to say about this hair. I love braids, I love long hair, and this hair is long, mama. It's, oh, how long did it take me to do? I started at 9:30, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 o'clock I leave up there. I would say between 7 and 9 hours. I can't believe, I don't remember if I left. I never left 6 o'clock. No, I think I leave after 4 or to 5, I don't know, but between 7 and 9 hours it took me to do my hair. And of course I was on my team colon on that day because I did the night before, and you know, I went to the bathroom regularly. Okay, I need to just say that. But yeah, that's basically it, you guys. There's nothing else. I have nothing bad to say about this hair. The glitter I'm wearing is locs. My nails were done by VIP Nails Body here in Jamaica as well. These earrings I bought at a yard sale out here in Jamaica. My lashes are my Poem by Lyric lashes in, I'm wearing Wifey as well as Popular Kid, and the colors you're seeing are from my Julius Place Nubian 1 palette and the Saharan palette. Alright, so that's basically it, you guys, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye guys.